If you are getting Roku error 42, you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways that you can use to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Restart the device and channel. You mostly get Roku error code 42 on the Disney Plus channel. This issue occurs when there is a connectivity issue. The first thing you can do is exit the channel, then restart your device and relaunch the channel. So, go to Roku settings, then select System. Then select Power. Then select System Restart. Wait till your system restarts and then check if the issue is fixed. Next, you can power cycle the router or modem. To do that, unplug the modem or router from the power outlet. Wait at least for a couple of minutes. Then turn on the router or modem. Now relaunch the channel on which you are having such issues and check. Method 2. Check the channel server. The next thing you can do is check for any server outage on the channel's site. You can visit here and check for any server outage. If there is any problem on the server side, then wait for some time and then try again. Method 3. Switch to a different connection. You can also shift to a different network and see if that works for you. If you have access to a different Wi-Fi connection, then switch to that. You can also shift to an Ethernet connection for a more stable connection. Also, make sure the Ethernet cable is properly connected and there is no loose connection. You can disconnect your Ethernet cable from all the other sources and connect it to some other device on another internet connection to check it. Method 4. Clear cache. Go to the home screen, press the home button 5 times and then press the up arrow button. Now, press the rewind button twice and then press the fast forward button 2 times. Wait for Roku to restart. Temporary data called cache and cookies can get corrupted and take more space over time, so they cause unexpected issues. This process should clear the cache on Roku TV, and by doing that, you make sure you can prevent additional problems. Method 5. Update the channel. The next thing you can do is update the channel on which you are getting the Roku error. To update a channel on your Roku device, press the home button on your Roku remote. Then, press the right directional button. Next, highlight the channel. Here, we have selected this channel for example. You can select any channel you want to update. Then, press the star button on your remote. Next, select Check for updates. Then wait for the app to update. Finally, press OK. Method 6. Update your system. Next, you can update your Roku software. An outdated system version can be responsible for such error codes. To update the Roku system, head to Settings, select System. Select Software Update. Confirm if prompted. Wait till the system installs the latest updates. Once done, you can restart the system and check. Method 7. Reinstall the channel. If the previous methods didn't help fix the Roku error, uninstall and then reinstall the channel on which you are getting this error. This can resolve the issue. Here are the steps to reinstall a channel on Roku. Perform a system restart on your Roku device before reinstalling the channel. Go to the Roku home screen. Use the arrow buttons to find the channel you want to uninstall. Like we have selected this channel here. Press the star key on your remote to open the channel options menu. Select Remove Channel and confirm the removal. Restart your Roku device to ensure the changes take effect. Now go to the Roku home screen. Select Streaming Channels from the left side bar. Search for the channel you want to reinstall. Select the channel and click Add Channel. If prompted, enter your PIN or confirm the installation and click OK to confirm. If the channel requires login credentials, you may need to sign back in after reinstalling. If the above steps do not work, perform a factory reset on your Roku device and then reinstall the channel. To do that, open Settings. Then navigate to System. Next, select Advanced System Settings. select Factory Reset. Enter the number and follow as shown to finish the process. Wait for the device to restart. Once the device restarts, reinstall the channel and try to watch the channel, and you shouldn't get the error. Method 8. Contact Roku support. If none of the above steps resolve this issue, it may be a more advanced problem. Contact Roku support for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Roku error code 42 and continue enjoying your streaming experience. And there you have it, the methods to fix Roku error 42. We hope one of these methods has worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.